In order to find a video that you have created in Microsoft Teams and download it, you're going to want to go to Microsoft Stream. So do this by going to Office 365, and you can see I have a shortcut. You can always type in office.com and log in as you were logging into your computer. The same login as your computer. So once I get here to Office 365, I'm going to go to Stream. Here is Microsoft Stream. When you get into Microsoft Stream, you're going to search for any videos you have created. So you click where it says My Content and choose Videos. By default, your videos are going to be sorted by the date, so the most recent should be on top. As long as this is a video you created and no one else created, you can download it. Go over to the three dots, click on them, and choose Download Video. Notice I am in Chrome right now, so everything you see and how it works is how it will work in Chrome versus Internet Explorer or some other browser. It's going to take a few minutes for this to download. So I want to explain how things work when you download them. So I'm going to my folder icon and I'm going to pull up this folder icon, which is called File Explorer. Within File Explorer, you can access your OneDrive. You can also access your computer. Anytime you download anything, it automatically goes into a folder under this PC called Downloads. So this is your hard drive on your computer versus OneDrive, which is in the cloud, and that means it's not on your computer. It's being saved somewhere else. It's like being backed up. So when you go to your downloads, you'll see that my video is being downloaded. When it's done, it will look like this one, A Block Online Class. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as my example since it has already downloaded. You can expect a download to take anywhere from a couple of minutes up to 15 minutes, depending on how large the file is. So I just want to notice that this file is here. Now, if you would like to keep this in your own personal folder, somewhere in OneDrive, you can right-click on it, choose Copy, and then put it wherever you want. In this example, we're working on a video for world language. So I would have a folder made for my department, and I'm going to pretend I'm world language, but I'll put it in the math department since I'm not really world language, and you can just right-click and paste here. And that way you would have a copy of this video that you will have backed up in your OneDrive. And you can access it anytime without having to go to SharePoint, which is where we're going to put it in just a minute. So that's up to you if you want to put a copy, but it will be in SharePoint, which is also backed up on the cloud as well. So here are my two videos I have downloaded so far using Microsoft Stream. So I'm going to go back to Microsoft to Office 365. So I went to Stream to access the video. It uploads there automatically when you make a video in Teams. Now I'm going to go to SharePoint. SharePoint is the place where we have shared folders for department and middle school information. So I'm going to click on SharePoint. Now I'm going to go to my department. In this case, I'm going to pretend that I am world language. And you'll see under recent, it says world languages because a folder was just shared with me from middle school world language department. So I'm going to click there. Anytime you want to go to your department, you always access it from SharePoint. And then you can upload whatever you need to. So notice there's no upload for me because I'm not part of this department. However, I was given access to this particular folder, World Language Registration Videos. So I will have access to that. I'm going to click on this folder. and I'm going to upload a file here. So I'm going to click on Upload. I'm going to click on Choose Files. And it's by default going to go to Downloads because that's where I was working. And I can click here, click Open, and then click OK. I'm not actually going to click OK because I've already done this. And it'll take a few minutes to upload, but when it's done, you will see your video in the folder. And up here, you see the name of the folder, MS World Languages. And that's it. Anyone that has access to this folder has access to the file you put in it.